I don't understand why not many people talk about him. I want to talk about Mozan in this video because what he did is outrageous and like nobody is talking about it, and it angers me. And I think y'all should know the truth, like who he really is. So basically he comes to London, he has a little show, and what happened, like it was just insane. Like I just can't believe it. So one day I checked my Instagram and I've been following him because I was a huge fan. And he's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna come to London and have a free show. I'm like, free show at this hotel, like I think it was called Sound. And he's like, oh, just register and you get your free ticket. It sounds too good to be true, right? So anyway, I did register. I went there with my friend. I come in, you know, and basically it was in a hotel lobby, which is so hilarious. It's insane. Like it's literally a hotel lobby, and then they had a stage, and it was also like some kind of a bar and restaurant, and like those hotel people were dining and they had no idea what the hell is going on. So he comes on stage, you know, he sings, everything is live. He sings with such an energy, and the bottom line of what I want to say is he sings live, he gives 120%. There's basically maybe like 200-300 people overall. It was quite short notice though. And then during the show he says, oh, I brought my guitar, one of you will get my guitar, we're gonna do a draw from all the tickets, and I'm gonna sign the guitar, I'm gonna give it to you, and at the end of the show, if you want to take a picture with me, you can meet me, I'll be at the back, so at the end of the show, you know, we can have a picture together, I'm gonna sell my merch there, and all that stuff. And I have been to so many concerts. I have actually met personally some of the artists, like huge ones, and I have been to many shows, and I can tell you, Mozan is absolutely outrageous and insane because he does a free show, he gives you his guitar for free on top of that. He's doing meet and greet with everybody that came there, every single person. But my point is, he sang, there were like, I'm telling you, like 200, maybe not even like 100 people. I don't know, like have a look at the picture and tell me. He delivers a performance as if there was 100,000 people. The energy from that guy is unfucking matched. It's actually unmatched energy because I can't get over it, dude. I can't fucking get over it. This guy is not only fucking rock star, also delivering like motivational speech in the middle of it, which was amazing. Almost made me cry. He is living his dream. And at this point, I mean, I know he's not like huge, you know, like MGK, but he had huge hits like Flames with Avril, Rich Kids Ruin Everything, Karma, like, you know, he's been around, he's been in the game. He did some shows, like a support act, now I think with MGK. Like he's been around, yeah. And he does a free show for like 100 people, 200, whatever. And he absolutely gives his soul into it. He goes, not even 120%, he goes fucking 500% in with the voice, with the presence, with the performance, with the energy. There is I cannot fucking imagine that any of those big artists, you know, who don't even deserve what they have. Like those artists who keep canceling shows because they don't sell enough tickets and they're like, oh, it's embarrassing, you know, like I didn't sell out, so let's cancel the show because I don't want to show empty seats. And like, or they do a smaller show, but they don't give their 100%. It's just like, you know. Or perfectly, those who just be like, I don't feel like going on stage today. Like, I want to cry, I have anxiety. That's valid. Maybe change the fucking profession. If you don't want to be a fucking musician, because a musician sings, bitch. A musician goes on stage and fucking rocks. If you don't like that, you just like the money that comes with it, fuck you. Change the profession if you have anxiety from performing in front of the people, because if you're a born entertainer and if you're a fucking real musician, you fucking love it. You don't have anxiety from it. You may be nervous, but you don't have anxiety and be like, I don't want to do the show today, you know. Fuck you. Mods doesn't have enough credit for what the fuck he's doing. It's insane. He absolutely won me over with, I couldn't believe the energy he came with and how grateful he was. He can actually do a fucking free show. in London and in this hotel, which was so bizarre, and I loved it. And he's so real, you know, like he's real. He's not some fucking fake shit celebrity. And it's funny because he brought me to MGK. Like, I wasn't a fan of MGK. Actually, I didn't even know he existed, to be fair. So he brought me to MGK, and I'm like, okay, now I'm MGK fan. So it's not just like, oh yeah, Mozan, MGK, you know, like, no, Mozan also brings people to MGK. So that's awesome. I just wish there were more people like him in this industry. I mean, music industry to me, like, it's outrageous, not in a good way. It's horrible, it's disgusting, it's pathetic. But yeah, there are some exceptions, for sure. Let me know in the comments your experience with Mozan, because I want to fucking hear it. And now enjoy the show.
Let's see if we can get everyone in this hotel involved.